Welcome to Applaud Tutorials.
In this tutorial, we'll explore the search settings on your Applaud tenant. We'll provide you with an introduction to the search feature, prerequisites, adding search content, designing how your search results appear on pages, adding a global search box, and searching keywords. You can find exactly what you're looking for in your Applaud tenant by using keywords, which your tenant uses to explore your models and return only the relevant information available. This can be done by configuring your search settings, including designing how your results will appear on a page. To complete this tutorial, you will need to have an existing model with instances. Models can be created in the Models section of your Applaud platform, accessible from the admin homepage. You can also use the Templates section to download pre-configured models such as personas. To get started, head to the search page from the admin homepage. You can get back to the admin homepage at any time with your platform's URL followed by /dashboard. This is where you're able to add search options for your models. When ready, select the Add button in the top right corner of the page. The content dialog box will appear. In the Models field, select the model you wish to use for the tutorial. In this example, we're selecting our country model. The title field will be automatically completed based on your choice, but you can override this by inputting your own title here. When you're happy with your choices, select the Save button. Now we can choose the data for our search setting. The Applaud platform populates the title field by using the title from the previous screen, but you can override this field too by inputting your own. On this screen, you're able to filter and sort data items to determine the list items that will be displayed. Select Continue when you're happy with your choices. Under Layouts, select the type you wish to use. This will determine how your results are displayed. In this example, we're selecting Row. Under Features, select the core aspects that the user should be able to access when searching. In this example, we have chosen Text, Avatar Icon Image, and Primary Action. You will see a variety of other options here too, including Chips, On-Screen Guidance, and Form Block. Further information on these can be found on the knowledge base. When ready, scroll down to the first Features section. In this example, this is Text. Here we are selecting the country name property and the country code in the overline field. Avoid overcomplicating your interface with too many selections. Under Avatar Icon Image, we're selecting Image for Style and our flag property in the Image Property field. You can see a real-time preview of your choices at the top of the window. Under Primary Action, we are linking this to an Applaud Cloud page. In this example, we have selected our country page with the link target in a modal. This will allow users to select the countries from the search results and make changes in the modal window. Continue to configure the design settings for your search content. And when you're happy with your choices, select the Update button. Your configuration should now appear under the Search Settings header. Continue to add search content for your other models. This will help to build a global search function for your users. In this example, we have added search content for language, highlight, persona, and content category models. Now it's time to create a global search box so your users can use keywords to find information from your models. Head back to the admin homepage and select the Pages icon. From here, select the page you would like to add your global search box to. If you don't have a page or would like to create a new one, head to the New Page button in the top right corner. In this example, we're selecting our home page. Scroll down to the bottom and select the Add Content button. A content dialog box will appear. Select the search box type and give this a meaningful title. In this example, we're using search. Search input placeholder is the text that appears within the search box before you enter your keywords. In this example, we're using find answers, people, services and knowledge. Button label is the term that will appear on your search button. In this example, we're using search. Additionally, you can restrict your search function by entering models that you don't wish to see data for. When you're happy with your choices, select Continue. Make any final formatting changes, then select Update. You can now see your search box within the page and use the arrow buttons to nudge your content up and down until you're happy with the layout. Now use your search box. In this example, we're using the search function to find data with the keyword social. We can then filter the results with the models that we added to the search settings earlier. These appear to the left of the page on desktop. In this example, we're filtering the results for highlights, which leaves us with 2 results. Followed by content categories, which leaves us with the other item. Use the search function that appears at the top of the page to search more keywords. In this example, we're using Dove Light, which will return results containing the keywords Dove or Light, or both.
Congratulations! You have successfully completed this tutorial. Learn more by checking out Applaud Academy and our knowledge base at support.applaudsolutions.com.